My name is Bernard Jensen, the Executive Chef and Culinary Program Manager at Swilling US. So I'm super excited that we're going to use the DEMEYERE 3.5 conical saucepan today. It's a 7-ply material saucepan. That means that we have one layer of 1810 surgical steel on the inside. We have 3 layers of aluminum in the core, taking care of even heat distribution. And then we also have 3 layers of stainless on the outside. So let's melt some chocolate. Usually we would do that over a double boiler, but with the DEMEYERE, the 7-ply and the temperature control, I can do it directly on my stove. The conical shape makes that my whisk or spatula will hit every part of the surface, so nothing can stick in a 90-degree angle. So no scoring, no lumps, no burning. The Silvinox treatment makes that it's also super easy to clean. Just a little drip of soap, the soft side of a sponge, and you clean it without any effort.